So, if you're the type of artist who believes that being creative is all about consistently learning new skills, consistently improving new skills, picking up new disciplines to learn, then you're most likely self-taught and definitely open-minded. So you want to stick around as I got you covered. On the other hand, if you feel that you know it all because you went to art school and you read a book or two, you did a couple of workshops or whatever, then you feel free to move on because this is probably not for you. My name is Constantine, and I'm proudly a self-taught artist myself. Back in 2020, I was determined to learn how to print make. And as you understand, due to lockdown and all the restrictions, I had no access to those fancy facilities that provide all the equipment, the heavy duty equipment and expensive gear that you need to use in order to learn how to print make. So I had to self teach myself how to do it. Not only I did that, but I ended up inventing a discipline myself. That one of dry point etching on glass. And I'm saying that I invented it because I had to come up with my own way of doing it and not the common way as is popularly known anyway. So I produced a massive catalog of pre-makes that I ended up exhibiting in various residential stairwells for free for people to have access to culture and art during those difficult times. If you want to learn how to do that yourself, you can download my workshop for only £40. You can learn how to monotype, you can learn liner cut printmaking and dry point etching on glass from the comfort of your home with zero access to fancy equipment and facilities, but still maintain the professional quality of it. Feel free to check and see for yourself.